Hey. Bless you. Do you want me to get that off? Oh. Here. You want me to get that off of you? Can I just, I'm going to help